Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what happens when you mix eggshells with soap and water. You'll never again throw away those eggshells. Do this and save yourself some money. Yep, that's correct. Eggshells can save you money. First, you will grate a neutral bar of soap, such as Dove. You can use more or less depending upon the consistency that you desire. Set aside for later use. Now take about 6 eggshells that you have saved and put in your blender. Do not discard those eggshells. They are so useful. But the hotter the water, the better. Put on the lid tightly and run the blender on pulverize until the eggshells are completely pulverized. Next, add the grated soap to the blender. After you have added your soap, put the lid on your blender and blend very well again. You will be amazed at how reusing something bound for your trash can be so useful. Once the soap is fully blended, turn off your blender and add 1 1/2 tablespoons of sugar. Refined sugar is preferable for the white color. Then add 1 1/2 tablespoons of baking soda. Turn the blender on again and mix until everything is very well mixed. Once that is mixed, turn off your blender and pour into several smaller containers and let sit. Are you now curious what the heck you are going to do with this mixture? You have just made a very cheap and easy scouring powder. This product is cheap, easy, good for the environment and your hands and lungs. Unlike the harsh chemicals in commercial cleaners, this is good for you and your family. It will clean most everything. Clean metal, aluminum items, bathroom fixture, and many more things. Be sure to test on a small R to make sure it is safe. The eggshells are quite abrasive, making them perfect for removing tough, gunked-on dirt. Combined with the other cleaning ingredients, you have a perfect product for your toughest cleaning chores. Take this burnt pan. You know, it is virtually impossible to clean, even with a scouring pad. At best, you have gotten a tiny bit off with maximum effort. Try instead opening your new product. Take a damp sponge and dip into the product. You'll love its consistency. Simply scrub the area you wish to clean. With minimal effort, voila, your pan looks great. Rinse off, and there you have it. Look at the pan, all shiny and new looking. If you are looking for more amazing recipes and cleaning and life hacks, please be sure to check out my other videos. Give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I truly appreciate it.